be watching, Jakin. Here it goes, Jakin.
What?
It's fixing to go. It's moving now.
Good gracious.
I can hear it. Cracking.
Stubborn little thing.
That's moved that much and hadn't gone.
I guarantee it's moved over 4 feet in the top.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm watching is the top of it. That ought to do it that side.
Fixed.
All that weight coming this way, I don't see what people are doing.
He doesn't want to give up.
Now it's quit moving.
No, it's still moving. It just pulled off that other limb on the back.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it's moving 2 or 3 inches each time.
Uh-huh.
There's
Oh, just about.
Jakin, look.
Just about.
My goodness, it moved
I
8 or
know.
10 inches in that
Yeah.
last. Jakin, pay attention over here, boy.
Okay.
You're going to miss it.
You're going to miss it, Jakin.
I told you that stuff would. Okay, here it goes, Jakin.
Jakin,
Yell
Here it
yell.
goes. Here it
Yell
goes.
timber.
Timber! Woo!
Right where we
Yeah,
want it.
squirrel went out of it. A squirrel just ran out of the end of that tree.
Squirrel ran out of it.
He went for a ride, didn't he?